Hi everyone, welcome to Rock Your Foundation. My name is Jody Stein. How are you today? I know it's another day where I'm getting ready late in the afternoon, but I'm having a girls' night out tonight, so I'm only meeting them at 6, so I didn't really need to get ready earlier than that. And I also had a fun, surprisingly, it was a surprise because Jenna has not been home pretty much all summer. She got a part-time job at Raging Rivers. She also started summer biology, and so we haven't really seen much of her. And she was at the Capitol today for her biology class, and then she got a notification that Raging Rivers was not going to open today because it wasn't warm enough. So when I picked her up, we came home, and I had been wanting to watch the movie Clueless with her for a while, but like I said, she's never home. So when she got home, we watched that movie, which was a nice surprise because it was just something really fun to do. And I laughed at the movie again, and my husband asked me if it was just as funny the third, fourth, or fifth time I've seen it, and I said yes, it was. Hi Diana, hi Judy. Someone let me know how my connection is. I disconnected Wi-Fi before I even hopped on, hoping that that would make it more clear and not have my voice be so spotty. So let me know if it's crystal clear on your end or if it's still kind of botchy. I thought it was working really well, but then a lady hopped on and said it wasn't. So hi, Christy. Thanks for hopping on. All right, so the title of this video is Neutral Eyes and a Bold Lip. So to me, it's neutral eye. To you, it might be a little bit bold, but to me, it's neutral. So I am just kind of getting a neutral, like this barely there color on right now. And then I'm going to go in with a really fun peach color, not as bright as the orange that I have been using. This one is called Impish, and it's just more of a softer peach color. So far, so good. Okay, thanks, Diana. Hi, Kay. Thanks for hopping on. At least I can see comments now. Monday and Tuesday, I couldn't even see comments until I hopped off, and then I saw them. All right, so Impish is, yeah, it's just a really pretty matte peach color, and I really like it. Really, really, really like it. All right. Okay, you guys, who saw my post this morning? The meme that I did about the police officer. It said the police officer said, "You're staggering," and then the person says, "Well, you're not so bad yourself." And we laughed and laughed and laughed, and now I need no money. I thought that was so funny. That one made me giggle. And since I am going out on girls' night tonight, I'm actually just going to have my son drive me. I'm going to have him drive off and pick me up. Being responsible. I'm honestly just trying to show my kids that if you're going to be drinking, then you need to arrange a ride. So I'm trying to be the responsible adult here. Which works out to their advantage because I told him if he drops me off and picks me up, then I would just order them food and send it home with him once he drops me off, and he was all for it. So I told him I would make it worth his while, which I don't think I would even had to have bribed him, but I just was wanting to be nice. Okay, this color that I'm going in with, I can't remember the name, so let me quick pop it out here. It's a really pretty maroon brownish color, Nonsensical. I hope that one is still available because I really like this one. It's it's not brown, but it's not full on burgundy. I don't know. It's just in between. I really don't know how to describe that color except it's perfection. Yeah, I saw that you had laughed at it. I kind of figured I kind of figured you would get my sense of humor, Diana. Because you've been posting some stuff lately too that I think it's just laugh out loud funny. And honestly, I just think that's what we need right now. We just need stuff to make us laugh. Okay, look how pretty that is. If you guys have not tried these pressed shadows, you are totally missing out because they are infused with primer, which means they are more pigmented. They are going to stay in place for you all day long. They're not going to budge. They're not going to smudge up on you. They're not going to crease. They are going to stay in place. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with that impish and just blur out the rough edge here. Just soften it up. Okay, now I'm going to go in with that same, Nonsensical. And we're going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm not sure if the lipstick I'm going to put on is actually going to go with this eyeshadow. But if it doesn't, I'll just go over it with something else. Okay. So there is that. And now we're going to go in with my favorite color, Gentle. This one is not available. I apologize. I'm not sure when it's coming back in stock, but it's called Gentle. I know a lot of you probably already have it, so I'm using it as a highlight again today on my cheekbones, my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and now I'm going to go and put that on my the inner eye with my ring finger. And this Gentle color, I swear it's like butter. It feels like I am applying it because it's so smooth and so creamy. It's such a good color. Like when it comes back in stock, if you do not have it, you need it in your makeup bag. Oh, thanks, Kay. This is actually from Plunder, and I got it a long, long time ago. So I don't even know if they would still have it. I think it was one of those, it was from like one of their holiday collections a couple of years ago, for sure a year ago. So I'm not sure if they still have it, but you could check, if you know anybody who sells Plunder, you could check with them. And sometimes they can find one for you from another consultant that might have an extra one at hand, or they don't want it, so they'll sell you the one that they have in stock. Yeah, I really like it too. It's fun. I don't wear it. I actually don't wear it a lot, but when I do, I get a lot of compliments on it. All right, I am trying this little sample mascara that I got in my Ipsy bag. I'm also going to top it with my 4D. I really don't enjoy the brush on this mascara. I feel like it clumps my lashes. But I just wanted to try it. So I tried it on this eye, so I figured I would do the same thing. Thanks, Diana. Yeah, I feel like eyeshadows just kind of make my eyes look bigger, and I have small eyes, so whatever I can do to make them appear bigger, I do. I've taken all the tips and tricks that I've learned over the past 4.5 years and I've applied them. And it really does make a huge difference. Like, I don't wear black eyeliner any longer on my lower lash line. I rarely apply liquid liner on my top lash line. I don't even feel like I need it. Okay, that is gonna call it good for that. I'm gonna line my lips while I let that set for just a second, and then we're gonna go in with a coat of 4D. So I'm gonna line my lips with Pouty liner. Okay, if I could write a book, I would, but I am not a writer. That is for sure. And I don't, that wouldn't even be, I mean, everything that I've learned from other people. So I feel like it would be disingenuous because it wouldn't even be my personal tips and tricks. It's just everything that I have watched and learned. That's what I share with you guys. Okay. And I'll do the top. So it's funny because I used to sell jewelry for Leah Sophia. And when I started selling jewelry, I had never worn a bracelet. I mean, if I wore one bracelet once a year, that was a lot for me. I just never wore bracelets. I would wear my watch, but never bracelets. And then I started selling jewelry, and now it's like bracelets and earrings are my two must-have jewelry items. I could skip a necklace, but I have to have earrings and bracelets. So it's kind of funny because before I started selling Younique, I never wore lip liner. I have wore lip liner in the past, but I wasn't wearing it the right way. And now I can't do a lip look without lining my lips first. Okay, so I've got them lined. I just slightly overline them. I don't go super crazy. I'm going to go in with a coat of 4D before this completely dries and I can't get it through my lashes. And then we'll do my fun lip color, which is, it's a metallic purple pink color. It's called, I can't remember the name of it. I'll look in just a second. So this is where the magic happens on your lashes, is when you put on that coat of 4D. And that just pulls the eyeshadow together. Okay, I like it a lot. All right, this is the color I'm using. Oh, it's called Striking. It is in a purple tube. I believe this is available. So check that out. It's a metallic pink purple. Does it clash with my eyeshadow? I'm not sure. I think it's okay. What do you guys think? Hi, Jen. What do you guys think of that? That's different for me. I always grab subtle. Okay. It's pretty bright. Especially since it's metallic, I just feel like it's like, whew. Let me go fix my hair. But that's it. That is the finished eye look and a more of a bold lip for me. Hi, Tanya. Oh, love that. My favorite fragrance ever. I wear it all the time. Do you think it looks okay? I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm digging it, but we'll see. I'm gonna go finish fixing my hair and I'll take some pictures and I'll see if I'm digging it. All right, thanks you guys for hopping on and joining me. It looks like this video went more smoothly and it didn't cut out and you guys could hear me, so that makes me happy. And if you guys have not treated yourself to that beauty box yet, click on my nose and click on the link where it says grab your beauty box. You're getting 17 items for $99. It's such a huge deal. It's literally $5.88 per item. And you're also getting $25 Y cash when you sign up, and then you will receive another $25 Y cash when you redeem that beauty oil that becomes available in July. So you're actually going to receive 16 items right now and $25 Y cash, and then in July you will redeem your coupon for another full-size item and an additional $25 Y cash, so that you could save that Y cash and use it all together. My personal choice would be to save that $50 and then grab myself a spray foundation and kabuki brush. Use that $50 towards that. That's what I would do. And also my favorite face primer, the mattifying primer, comes in that beauty box. And it's my favorite. I use it every single day. Like I don't even use this one anymore. I should probably, I wonder if my mom uses this one yet. I should just give it to her because I only use the mattifying. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to come on and show you. So I will probably be back tomorrow with another eye look, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.